honorable guests, and my dear brothers from China. The respected Lord of the Academia, senior engineers, and the friends associated with the water, research, management, and also the construction, the contractors. Nice seeing you all here. I wish there should have been much more attendance on such an important topic, particularly for Pakistan. Not finding the relevant officials, neither from the federal government or from the provincial government, is shocking. Probably they have not evaluated what water is. Water is life for humanity, and particularly the people of Pakistan. We've been unfortunate. We are victim of unfair partition in 1947. Not only Kashmir, Junagadh, Hyderabad, even our water resources were not given to us. China and India have been lucky that the plate of Himalaya, for China is Yangtze and Yellow Basin, which is irrigating them throughout. And for India, it has been the Indus and Ganga Basin. And the gravitational flow and gravitational pull and the ground position is as such that the entire India land gets adequate water to give adequate crops and sustain their exports. My dear friend, while the economies globally from 2014 to the recent years, all including USA went down gradually. It is only China and India whose economy is not only sustained but went up. And water has its contribution. I do not hesitate to say that if Pakistan has to survive and prosper, my dear friend, it is your natural resources, قدرتی وسائل. خدا کرے میری عرض پاک پر اترے وہ فصل گل کہ جس کو اندیشہ زوال ہو. ہم نے زوال بہت دیکھے, ہم نے پراسپیرٹی نہیں دیکھی. ہم نے اپنے را مٹیریل بیچے ہیں پوڑیوں کے پاؤں. بدقسمت کو بے ایمان لوگوں کے ہاتھوں سے ملک تباہ کیا. کیا کیا ہم نے؟ اپنے نیچرل ریسورسز کے ساتھ. مجھے اردو میں چند الفاظ کہنے پڑ رہے ہیں تاکہ میرے فارن فرینڈس انٹرپریٹ کیے بغیر, ٹرانسلیٹر کیے بغیر ہماری کمزوریاں نہ جان سکیں. ہم نے ریکارڈنگ بھیجی, اتوار والے دن بھیجی, پرائم منسٹر ہاؤس کھلوا کے بھیجی. 1 بلین جیب سے پاکستان اسٹیٹ بینک سے دی اپنی ریکارڈنگ خریدنے کے لیے. جھوٹ بولا قوم سے کہ 11 بلین کی پینلٹی ہے, وہ 5.95 کی تھی. چیٹ کیا قوم کو. 50% شیئر دے دیے. 2022 میں ہم نے کنٹریکٹ سائن کیا, 6 سال اور دے دیے, 2028 میں شروع ہوگا. بھائی ادھر تو کوئی چیز بیچتا ہے تو گھنٹے بعد وہ اس کا حساب کتاب لینا شروع کر دیتے ہیں. اب 6 سال سونے کی کان, مولوڈیم کی کان, ریئر ارتھ معاملہ تھا. دی میٹر واز اباؤٹ ہول نمبر 3. دی کیس واز اباؤٹ ہول نمبر 3. دی company which was given in 93 was given survey only, and nobody asked it from 93 to 2011, okay, what are you doing? Where were you? Where were the government? Where were the rulers? Where were the monitors? Where were NAB and where were FIA and all others? You gave them your name of copper and you gave them gold and you gave rare earth, and then you do not ask them. Why did they open hole number 3? Who gave them the permission to explore? There was no agreement to explore. When they came for the exploration, when we started crying over it in public, they went to the court. They were not given permission. And then they were called, they manipulated, they were called to international court. And it was not a fair decision. Our people also helped them to get that penalty. They mismanaged the case. They've been helping the foreigners create a penalty and come back. And when? How did we dish out 50%? All right, you were not intelligent to give them 49%. And safeguard Pakistan at 51%. You were not intelligent that my raw material should not go abroad without getting tested. You gave Sendek just like that. There was no check, no balance, no refinery, no process, no laboratory. And I have a complaint against my engineer brother and academia. Where were you? It's the engineers and the engineer council who wake up the nation. Why have been our senior engineers silent on it? Kalabagh Dam, hats off to Dr. Professor Shamsul Mulk. When I was 2.5 years, I was chairman Premise Inspection Commission 14 till 16. God was kind to utilize the opportunities to go through each paper of the state, which is otherwise not made public. We got the data, we checked the data, we monitored the data, we made think tank, we get every well-accomplished people from the country, and we raised a think tank with the name of National Development Forum, NDF. And today, we have 11 think tanks. Every ministry is being monitored. Every contract is being monitored. Every kickback is being calculated. We are trying our best to safeguard Pakistan as far as possible. This is what we are going to leave it. If we leave Pakistan without natural resources, we have nothing else to do. We have no energy, we have no power, we have no water, we have no gas, and we have no industry. We have no industry, we have no exports. We have no exports, we have no economy. And how many people have invested in UAE, in the properties? Billion, not billion, trillions of dollars. How many have taken green card and visa for USA and other countries? All the decision maker, 90%, 80%, 70%. How many are dual nationality still sitting in the grade 22? and in the cabinets and here and there. But we are going to be here, the son of the soil. We have to live here, we have to die here. Pakistan, if Pakistan is there, we are there. If we damage Pakistan, our generation, next generation, will come on the graveyard and abuse us. These are the lot who sold off Pakistan. What for a few dollars? What would you do with those dollars? You have $1,000 or you have $1 trillion in your account. You will go into the same grave where I am going to go and rest of us are going to go. Your sons and daughters will only remember you on Eid day. Whether they come with few things to put on your grave or not, this depends. And if they happen to avail the same visa which you availed for and green card, they will not come on your grave also, rest assured. Your box and your grave will keep looking for the dogs who are in the graveyards and here and there. Nation are built. Let's build this nation. قوم بناؤ, قوم بنی نہیں, ملک بچاؤ. پاکستان تبھی بچے گا جب قوم بنائیں گے, جب کوالٹیز لائیں گے, جب مورالٹیز لائیں گے, جب امپیکیبل انٹیگریٹی لائیں گے, جب کرج لائیں گے بولنے کی, جب سچ بولنے کی ہمت کریں گے, جب حق بات کریں گے اور سفر کریں گے, جب سرکار کی نوکری کے لیے اور پارلیمنٹ کی ٹکٹوں کے لیے لائن میں نہیں کھڑے ہوں گے, تو پھر آپ کی قوم اور آپ کے بچے عزت کریں گے. این ڈی ایف میں آپ میں سے ہر آنریبل ممبر انوائٹیڈ ہے. آپ آئیے, ہمارے ساتھ بیٹھ کے ریسرچ کیجئے, ملک کی خدمت کیجئے. ہم این ڈی ایف کسی سے فنڈ نہیں لیتے, اس تھنک ٹینک میں انکار کرتے ہیں, اپنی جیب سے خرچہ کرتے ہیں, کسی کے اعلیٰ کار نہیں ہے, نہ کسی باہر کے, نہ کسی اندر کے, نہ کسی ڈپارٹمنٹ کے, نہ پولیٹیکل پارٹی کے. آئیے آ کے پاکستانی بنیے, پاکستان کو بچائیے. وی ہیو مینی پروجیکٹس. نیچرل ریسورسز, یہ صرف مائن مینرل تو نہیں ہے, یہ صرف ڈیکوڈی کی کہانی تو نہیں ہے, سینڈک اور گوادر کے بیچنے کی کہانی تو نہیں ہے. اس میں آئل بھی ہے, اس میں گیس بھی ہے, اس میں آپ کی فرٹائل لینڈ ہے, زرخیز زمین ہے. مرا ہوا کسان جو کوئی ٹیکنالوجی اس کو نہیں چاہیے, ٹریکٹر چاہیے, توے چاہیے, وہ آلریڈی کر رہا ہے, کوئی 1 انچ جگہ نہیں چھوڑ رہا. We are preparing 1,000 of land, 1,000 acres of land now. The Cholistan is getting worked up, the water is getting being procured for that area, and we're trying to make Pakistan. The wonderful job is being done by the present team. I must salute SIFC, and I must salute Shabazz and Chief and the rest of the people who are working selflessly. And I will say again, they must work selflessly. They must get the kickbacks out, bring the prices down, take every decision where the national patriotism is visible, that Pakistan has been saved. Take 51% from every project which you sign. Let our fallen brothers be 49%, or maybe even 50%, I don't mind. We need them. We need them. They should come and train our engineers. My dear Mr. Jan, the president, PO company is here, and through him and publicly I request my leadership in China that they should, we are their iron brother, we've been brother for years. It is, both of us are a travel of 77 years together. China and Pakistan, they were independent together. We are not that fortunate. we got our first Prime Minister killed in a public meeting by foreign power, foreign agents. Right from that day till today, we have been suffering and we have been targeted by various wars, by various insurgency and terrorism throughout. We've been divided into portions. Every now and then there is a destabilization, political destabilization. The political leader creates destabilization. Every day there is a jerk. You create an excuse to jerk the country, to make the investor run away from here, and to promote the terrorism here. What are you doing? Safeguard Pakistan, for God's sake, safeguard Pakistan. Each word which you utter must safeguard Pakistan. And of course, it should safeguard our neighbors, our brother China also. What China has been doing with us, no other country sustained us. In our economy, in our military equipment, in our security, in our industry, in CPEC, in various other things. We've seen all fronts. Some friends want their security of their country by our manpower. Some people want us to fight for them, and they leave us with terrorism. Every day I keep counting Shahshabada. They have their son, their wife, their fathers. Every day. This blood is going into the foundation of Pakistan. How can it is all out war. We are lucky we're sitting in Lahore. Please go and see your borders. See the post at a distance. See 24 hours your soldiers are standing and giving duty. And while in the social media and media, the forces are being targeted. Their chief is being targeted. My dear brother, this is the last phase of insurgency. That when you target the forces of a country, that the next phase is to break the country and divide the country. If the force is not here, there is no one to defend you and to keep all the provinces together. Every country needs force. It's not only that in Pakistan it's force. Unfortunately, war and terrorism and insurgency and all that has converted it into a security state. We want to follow the Western culture of civilization, of civil liberties, of this and that and everything. We keep crying. Our media keep spending 24 hours on the destabilization factors. Whether it is third class crime by the criminals, they are highlighted, or it is the disputes and fights and protests on the roadside, or in the parties or in the government. Why do not we get on the media and talk facts and make a nation? Why don't we do this? Why the parents, why the teachers, why the such expensive education institutes do not take care of the moral side and the character and the technology and the education standard of your kids, so that they stand out and go and rule the world. You go abroad, you go and see how many places the Indians are heading and how many places the Chinese talented students are there, and count the world. People are working, their next generation are working round the clock, not less than 16 to 18 hours, on the subject. Focus. We have our institutions who teach less and waste time on extracurricular. And then the same teachers are forced to go and give tuitions, expensive tuition to the kids, so that they can qualify O and A level and can fight and take A. I think with these words I would like to come to the water. My dear friends, water is life for developed countries, and water is death for the underdeveloped countries. Water is prosperity for those who managed water well, and for those like us who mismanaged water, like I think we could say a lot, who mismanaged water. They brought devastation, they brought damages, they brought so many sufferings to the people and to the nation. In 2010, July 2010, the flood, for which we never worked for the flood management water. We never thought that we have 3 rivers unfairly given to India, dry. And we have not used them. We have not dug them well, we have not made them reservoirs, converted. Neither we made them water motorways, nor we made the reservoirs. We let the water, flood water, every year cause damage, and every year the expenses go in billions in casualties, evacuation and rebuilding of it. And we not been making the reservoir and the roads, while we have 3 passages already existing which is connected with your canal network. Satluj, Ravi, Chenab. Why don't you put the water there? I am a layman, I am not an engineer. But nobody has been able to satisfy me. What have we been doing for 77 years? Don't you see every rainy season? Don't you see the kids and the ladies and the properties are being taken away? Encroachment by the people influential around. The land is being converted into the plots illegally and being made, and the money going to Dubai and here. But all, I think let's wake up. Let's wake up. Let me allow to give a wake-up call. Let these words go and shake the people. They may abuse me well, let them. They hate me, but I will not stop this. Kalma haq ke na jihad hai. افسوس در افسوس شہینہ بنا تو، افسوس در افسوس شہینہ بنا تو، دیکھے نہ تیری آنکھ نے فطرت کے اشارات، دیکھے نہ تیری آنکھ نے فطرت کے اشارات، تقدیر کے قاضی کا فتویٰ ہے ازل سے، ہے جرم ضعیف کی سزا مرگ مفاجات۔ If you are weak, if you are slow, if you are dull, if you are dishonest, if you are coward, if you are only money-making machine for your kids, the result would be disaster. Somebody else will come and take over. So my dear friends, coming on to the water level, the depth of water, and the water level was 10 to 20 feet depth. Let me talk about Lahore. Lahore water, sweet water was 10 to 20 feet in 1930. My dear friend, it was so for 40 years, till 1970. And then in 2019, it was 130. And within 2 to 3 years, it has gone to 600 to 900 feet depth. Now we are in between 6 and 900. up to 600 there is a contamination. The industrial water which has not been pure, not been recycled. But Oyo is doing, China has been doing, we've not learned, we've not read them, we've not seen them. And my dear friend, the warning is that after 1300 deaths, we are only 400 away. Then civilization ends, then there is no water. Pakistan is in a serious crisis of water. Please understand this. The figures I am giving you are those which have been published, tested, tried. They have not been fabricated by anyone just to create panic. Are they not known to the government? If they are known, why are not they here? Are we not natural resources have a lot of... Doesn't water give you cheap electricity? It does. The cheapest electricity is from water. Does the water not give you the irrigation and the fertility in land? It does. Food security. Water gives you economy. Water gives you energy. Water gives you environment. 3 E's. And give you prosperity. It also gives you, it gives you life, it takes your life also, if you mismanage it. We are losing life in water now. All the serious diseases, whether it is cancer, it is your kidney going, it is your liver going, anything which is happening within you, and you are getting to the hospital is because of polluted water. I am paying full tax, you are paying full tax. Why are not we being provided drinking water in our tap? Why there is a polluted water? Why we have to go and buy the bottles for water? Is there any question? Water is my responsibility or your responsibility? Tax we are giving. Everyone, the Vasa bill has been increased by 300%, and so every other bill has been increased. So once the bills have been increased, the services must come. Wake up. We must, each one of us, not me, each one of us should give you a wake-up call. Please shake up. Put your hand. Please tell them. Every responsible person, they are very, very responsible, educated and senior people. They need to be reminded that water, not only water, I say natural resources. And the natural resources, not only water, it is mine, mineral, it is lands, fertile lands, it is forest, it is oil, it is gas. And the water, another factor, you have long coastal belt, 1,000 kilometers. Vietnam has, I think, 1/10 of you. Vietnam is the second biggest fish exporter in the world. And we, having that vast coastal belt, have done nothing. Not only I will talk about the fish, water has so many. It has gas, it has oil, it has so many resources. Go deep and find what water carries for you. Blue economy. I think we made blue economy into red economy. We make it into a black economy also. We send the lunches along with the illegal immigrant to die. We send some of the KPK and Afghanis send the narcotics also to the same water. It is grey economy. Instead of blue economy, it is grey economy, it is black economy, it is red economy. It is no economy. Please wake up. Then, water Coming down to some other factors, Punjab, the lands being the given water and giving crop is 17%, while the water allocation from IRSA is 54%. In Sindh, the allocation of IRSA is 43%, and the land fertility is 3 point something. खुदा का खौफ करो, किस किस के हाथ पे अपना लहू तलाश करें, फिर भी कहते हो कि पानी चोरी कर गया पंजाब। यार, we should be Pakistanis. Why are you taking the water and throwing it into the sea and not utilizing? And the water, while you are not, and how much is the kacha, and what is kacha land? Not 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 10 kilometer. 900 kilometers area along the Indus River is kacha. Kacha, why is kacha? Because the influential people utilize that land for the crops. Dacoities are gangs of those people, sponsored. Why? Now coming to the other things. Your Mangla. If Mangla is not taken care of every year, it is filling up. Mangla and you have only 3 reservoirs, Tarbela, Mangla, Chashma. You are short of 29.30%. You need your dams immediately to sustain them. Kalabagh Dam is a gold mine. Criminal are those who have delayed it, denied it to the nation. Please do not do that. If not Kala, name it anything. But if not, whatever objections you have, incorporate them into the report. Amend it, correct it, negotiate it, and let the water be restored and give the energy to the people. We have 3 presentations. If I start speaking, it will take many days. But I know that there are many friends. I was told to take 10 minutes. Although I don't think that 10 minutes. All water technical. I am not going through the transparencies. You are all educated and well. These transparencies, anyone who wants to study our presentation, please contact me or my staff. We will, with pleasure, we will send it to you. No secrecy, no confidentiality. Everything is open. Please study them and then get back to us, improve them, discuss with us. If you want to contribute, join us. Thank you very much.